In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get referral reward on Wise. To get started, open Wise and go to the home page. This is where you'll land in your account dashboard, and it's the starting point for finding the referral section. If you're not signed in yet, make sure you log in first so you can access the referral options connected to your account. Once you're on the Wise homepage, look for the referral reward area. In this example, you'll see an option that says earn 3,050 pesos. The exact wording or reward amount may sometimes vary depending on your region or the current promotion, but the process is the same. Go ahead and click on that referral reward option to open the invite page. This section is where Wise shows you the details of the referral program. Usually, this page explains that you can invite friends using your personal referral link, and if they complete the required actions, you may become eligible for a reward. It's a good idea to quickly review any terms shown on the screen so you understand how the reward works and what conditions need to be met. After that, find the area that says Share Your Link. In that section, you'll see a button labeled Copy. Click on Copy to copy your personal referral link to your clipboard. This gives you a ready-to-share link that you can send through messaging apps, email, social media, or any other platform you prefer. Once the link has been copied, you can paste it wherever you want to share it. If you want better results, send it to people who are genuinely interested in using Wise, since referral rewards typically depend on the other person signing up and completing the qualifying steps. Sharing with the right audience can make the process smoother and increase your chances of earning the reward. And that's it. The basic process is simply to go to the Wise homepage, open the referral reward section by clicking Earn 3,250 pesos, and then copy your referral link from the share section. From there, all that's left is to share the link and wait for eligible referrals to complete the required actions. If you're following along, take a moment to make sure you copied the correct link directly from your Wise referral page, because using your personal link is what allows the reward to be tracked properly. That's the full process for getting your referral reward on Wise.